In certain cases, the donor area may be too thin or sparse to allow for the extraction of hair follicles. This can be due to many reasons, such as aging, medical conditions, and over-harvesting during a previous procedure. But does this mean that you cannot have a hair transplant? Couldn't you just use beard or body hair instead? Hi, I'm János from HairPalace Hair Clinic, and as a patient coordinator, I've accompanied the treatment of more than 1,500 patients in the past 5 years. Today I will tell you if it's possible to use beard hairs for your hair transplant surgery. The beard can be a good source of donor hair for hair transplantation, particularly for individuals with limited donor hair on the scalp. But while it's possible to implant beard hairs to the scalp with the FUE method, it is generally recommended as a last resort. This is due to several factors. First of all, beard hairs are much thicker than scalp hair and have twice as many cuticle layers. Additionally, the curl pattern and length can be very different from the hairs growing on your scalp. And even though the individual beard hairs are thick, their density is lower. As a result, around 1,000 grafts can be harvested maximally without causing thinner patches in your beard. As such, beard hair is not suitable for hairline transplants and filling up completely bald patches. Usually, beard hairs are used in combination with donor hairs from the back of the head and are transplanted to mid-zones of the scalp to increase the density. So overall, while implanting beard hairs is possible, the end result is unlikely to satisfy you. The implanted beard hairs will look too thick and short compared to your original hairs. Now, this isn't necessarily a problem as long as you keep your hair short, but the final result may look unnatural. Before you decide on getting a hair transplant with beard hair, ask yourself the following question. Do you really want to pay thousands of pounds to be limited to wearing a buzz cut for the remainder of your life? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week so you can take a look at success stories and learn more about hair restoration methods that can help you overcome hair loss once and for all. Thank you for watching.